Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, I will show you 2 sets of EPS ball mold delivery to Ecuador. The 2 EPS ball molds exported to Ecuador adopt a replaceable cavity design. This is mainly considering that the customer's demand for different sizes of EPS balls will change with the interchange of cavities. The use of a replaceable cavities design can meet the customer's actual order, arrange production plans reasonably, and reduce unnecessary waste. In addition, because the EPS ball mold produced by the customer is a craftwork, the customer has requirements for the appearance of the product. Therefore, we customized an EPS filling gun with a curved tip. Each EPS filling gun can correspond to the mold cavity of the specified size EPS ball. In this way, the product produced will be more beautiful. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.